A Mustang driver parked directly in the biker's lane. The rider confronted him, but wait until you see the driver's shocking reaction.
There's a bike lane right here. You're parked in the middle of it. What's that?
Next time, you just pull up to the window and say something. Don't knock on my shit.
Why are you endangering people's lives with your
shit?
This machine kills 40,000 people.
My fucking shit, bitch.
Why is misogyny called for in this situation?
Let me tell you something. Before you start with somebody, you better ask yourself what the fuck they're going through.
So what about you fucking with bicycle traffic? This is a piece of infrastructure designed to save the lives of human beings.
Bitch,
when you block it,
look, bitch, I'm getting ready to move my car, so you better leave me the fuck alone.
I really appreciate you not breaking the law. That's a basic expectation of living in a
fucking car.
Good.
So leave me the fuck alone.
Get on it. Let's go. Are you experiencing some toxic masculinity right now, sir?
No, I'm not.
Your dog's very cute, sir.
Out of nowhere, a car suddenly pulled in front of the rider after a turn. The biker stopped them, and what happened next will leave you speechless.
You're trying to kill me. That's the problem. I'm saying you got a problem. You're trying to kill me, bro.
Just making sure.
I'm trying to say, bro.
Right there. You got a problem.
You're the one with the problem, dog. You're trying to kill somebody and you're holding up traffic.
Don't do that shit around here, Brody.
I live around here, bro.
So do we.
I do what I want around here. I'm riding safe. You're out here pulling out in front of people. Fuck you, bro. Fucking drive. Let's go.
Watch how this aggressive car driver tried to fight with the rider and ended up making a complete fool of himself instead.
What are you gonna do? I have a fucking helmet on.
Come on.
What are you gonna do?
You got a bunch of witnesses everywhere, bro. Witnesses. Just think about that.
Get off me, faggot.
Get on your motorcycle and drive off. I'm worried like no man.
Fuck you, bitch.
You're on dash cam. You're on dash cam.
Oh, I'm on dash cam?
Yeah, you're on dash cam.
Bro, get fucking plate, you fucking faggot.
Dash cam.
Shut the fuck up.
A so-called Karen stepped out of her car and physically assaulted this biker.
What kind of bullshit is that? You just cut everyone off?
What's your name?
You.
All right, ma'am. That's assault right there.
Just forget it. Just forget it. Hey,
That's assault right there.
just forget it. Just forget it. He's an idiot. Forget it.
Go ahead and give me your tag number.
This rider was out enjoying a peaceful day with his daughter and wife when he saw a man aggressively putting his hands on a woman. Without hesitation, the biker told the man to back off.
Hey! Get your hands off of her!
But instead of stopping, the abuser began walking towards him.
Get the fuck away from me! Get the fuck away from me! I have my daughter! You get the fuck away from me! Get in the fucking car! Off of my daughter! Right now!
Go. Let's go. You want to get on the back of my bike? Come on, it's okay.
Don't keep walking up to me. Go. Get her out of here. Right now.
I love you, Dad.
I love you, bub.
He sent his daughter to safety, and when he reunited with his family later, what he told them will touch your heart.
I'm not going to stand there and watch somebody put their hands on him, though. I need you to hear me. I am sorry that I scared you.
You didn't scare me, he scared me.
Okay. I'm sorry that I put you in that situation, but I cannot stand there and watch a man put his hands on a woman. Do you want to stay with me or do you want to stay with...
Can I go with Dad? Absolutely.
I'm sorry I put you in that position, Bug.
It's fine. I'm proud of you.
Oh, thank you.
He sucks.
Yeah, he does.
Who do you think was right here? Comment below. A young boy was riding his bicycle with a GoPro on his chest when a Karen tried to hit him. The shocking moment was all caught on camera.
And that one too. Get the hell off the sidewalk now.
Excuse me.
Get off the sidewalk.
Please don't touch me. Why'd you just hit me?
Want me to hit you again?
What the f is wrong with you? You don't f***ing touch me.
Oh, I'll do what I want. You tried to run
Mom!
me down on the sidewalk.
Mom!
Hey, come on out, Mom. Have a little talk with Mom.
Bro, she just hit me.
Hey, Mom.
She just hit me.
Come on out. Come on, tell your story.
She just hit me.
Uh-huh.
She just hit me.
You run us down on the sidewalk.
You hit my child?
Yes, she did. Yes, she just did.
You have a camera? You want to go look at it?
I have a camera. You want to see the video?
To run me down on the sidewalk, and I'm on the board, along with another board member.
Would you like to see the...
No, we're well aware. He tried to run us down on the sidewalk.
I did not.
And lied to us.
I have a video.
It's a great thing that there's a camera strapped to his chest.
Good.
Right now.
Come on, boy. Just get it on. Let me
Get
see
away
it.
from me.
Come on.
Get away
Come
from
on.
me.
You need to get
Come
away.
on. Come on.
Jeffrey, come over here.
I swear to God, if this old lady touches me again.
What happened?
I can't wait.
If this old lady touches me again, I swear to God.
Right ahead. Oh,
You
hey,
are
police.
crazy.
We're here on the police.
You need
Go
to
get a
You
life.
need to go to your house.
Bye-bye.
Go away. This is crazy.
I can go any
You've
place
been.
You don't
you've
hit
been
children.
harassing-
You don't hit
you're
children.
harassing
It's against the
me.
law. It's against the law.
He
Shame on
showed
you.
me
Shame on
numerous
both of you.
videos.
And shame on Dad that your boys would do
She
what
hit
they
me.
do.
She hit me
She
in the
is
back.
an absolute. He's got the
Running-
whole thing
trying
on
to run us- I'm
camera.
with the board member.
I have it on
over
camera, I
the
did not.
sidewalk.
No.
Yelling at us. I can be on the sidewalk. I can do anything I want.
You touched my child and I'm calling the cops.
Oh,
Do you think she went too far? Comment your thoughts. After a woman crashed into a parked truck, she tried to walk away without offering proper information. No license plate, no local ID, only a Utah card. When asked for her current insurance, tensions escalated. Then her husband arrived and things took an even stranger turn.
You that you're giving my pregnant wife trouble for no reason.
Really?
For your crappy little car. Now what's the hell is wrong with you? Tell me what's wrong with you.
Why would I talk to your wife? For what reason? What did she do?
You got hit because you're a fucking idiot.
Because my car was parked? That makes me a fucking idiot. My car has not moved the whole time. So you need to take it down a notch?
I don't need to take it down at all. You're giving my pregnant wife trouble for no reason. Tell me why.
Because she hit my car and she won't give me her information.
She gave you the information.
Sir, she would not give me her information.
She gave you the fucking information.
I'm telling you.
We gave you the insurance card.
It was expired. It's expired information.
It is not expired information right there.
The insurance card that she sent me
Yes, it's January. You dumb fucker.
says expired January.
Yeah. What's wrong with you? You got a dumb fuck in your head?
What year's this year? You want to, really, you might want to step back a notch.
You might want to step back a notch.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, Mr. Reasonable with the phone. You're...
Go ahead.
A biker witnesses a man fleeing the scene of an accident. What happens next will leave you speechless.
What the fuck? Are you guys hurt? Any one of you is hurt? I have a first aid kit if anybody needs it. Is she running away? Yo! Hey! Yeah, he's fucking drunk. Stop! Dude, be careful, man.
Yo, hey, sit down. Yo, sit down. Hey. Is she attacking you?
Yeah, he keep hitting me. That's why I grabbed him.
Hey.
He kept hitting me, and the closer I get with my key, he keep jumping in my back seat.
He's fucked up. Just stay away from him. Just fucking sit down. Dude, you fucked. You're going to jail. He's all drunk.
Lay down, lay down, lay down. Lay down. Lay down, lay down, lay down. Lay down, lay down. Straight right back.
I'm good to go? Thank you.
A biker practicing wheelies on the road draws the attention of a truck driver who pulls up and tells him to stop.
Oh yeah! If I had a little more real estate, I might have been able to do well on that one. How's it going? How are you?
Go shit in your own neighborhood. Stop running up and down the road because I can have your license plate and the trooper's going to be here like they were the other day.
Okay.
Give you a heads up.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
What's that?
What?
What's that, a camera?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I didn't know you. I didn't know it bothered you.
Just serving the fucking neighborhood with the
I didn't know anybody could hear it. I'm sorry.
Neighborhood you doing.
I understand. I will. I'm sorry. Try to be nice.
Who was truly in the wrong here? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Guess that's the end of this spot.
The biker sees a man drop his wallet out of his car, picks it up, and returns it. The car driver responds by flipping him off, but what happens next takes an unexpected turn. So that's it for today. Remember to ride safe and be aware on roads. Hit that like